Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract text from PDF and send to GetResponse with PDF.co using Zapier. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you the sample PDF that we're going to use. Now, let's go ahead and create a Zap. For the trigger, search and select Google Drive from the list of apps. Then, select New File in Folder as the action event. Then, select or connect your Google Drive account where your file is stored. After that, select the drive in the folder where your file is located. Once you're done setting up the trigger, you may now test it. Now that you're done with the trigger, go ahead and set up the action. Search and select PDF.co from the list of apps. Then, select Document Parser as the action event. Then, select or connect your PDF.co account. Now, it's time to set up the action parameters. For the input, search and select Web Content Link to get the URL of your file from Google Drive. For the template ID, type in the ID of the template that you're going to use. Then, click Continue. After setting up the action, you may now test it. Once the test returns as successful, add another action. Search and select GetResponse from the list of apps. Then, select Create Contact as the action event. Then, select or connect your GetResponse account. Time to set up the GetResponse action parameters. For the list, select the list where you want to create the new contact. For the columns, select the value that you got from PDF.co document parser. Then, click Continue. Once you're done setting up the GetResponse action, you may now test it. Once the test returns as successful, you will now be able to see the new contact that was created. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.